All right, July 23rd, 2026. Under the Wings 82 in progress here. Video part 8. I changed the coloration and drawing of the coloration of her eyeglasses several times. And what else did I do? Well, I finished the portrait and I pasted on a fabric, like for equivalent to like a blouse, upper torso attire around the neck, shoulders. All right, and I'm still deliberating what to do up here, and I may make it into a double portrait. That is a photocopy of a photo of her sister Anne. A bit smaller in size, but that can be adjusted with my pencil drawing. And I may draw both the sister and then allegorical sea monsters, probably. All right, there you have it. Very hot here. It's like 10 degrees warmer inside than outside. It's like 73, 74 outside. It's 83, 84 in here. Parakeets like it. You guys do better than Step Papa in the heat. All right. There's a photo of Margot and Anne. Okay, to be continued. Stay tuned.